Sanibonani bafundi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nisaphila kahle emakhaya. Hello my beautiful grade ones. I hope you guys are well and warm while you are doing your schoolwork. So today at school during Zulu time, we were learning about doing words or action words. So in Zulu we say izenzo. Izenzo. Izenzo are doing words. Okay. So what is doing words? Doing words are the words that someone is doing something. So they're telling us that someone is doing something, like cry. Cry, it is also a doing word. Laugh, it is a doing word because you are doing it. Run, it is also a doing word. And jumping, it is also a doing word. So we have a lot of them. So, but here we are going to learn to say some of those words in Zulu. So we are going to practice, or we are going to learn to say izenzo or doing words in Zulu. So I'm going to be showing you guys my pictures, and then we're going to practice to say the words together. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. So here we see this boy, he is sleeping. So sleep in Zulu is la la. La la. Okay, say with me. La la. Well done. And the next one. Waking up. Okay. Wake up in Zulu is vuka. Vuka. If I want you to wake up in Zulu, I'm going to say to you, vuka. So if I say vuka, I command you to wake up. Okay. And the next one. Look at this beautiful girl. She is walking. So walking in Zulu is hamba. Hamba. So let's say it together. Hamba. Beautiful. Next one. So here they are running. So they are doing what? Running. Okay, running in Zulu is gijima. Gijima. Now say with me. Gijima. Well done. And here they are talking. So talking in Zulu is kuluma. Kuluma. Now say with me. Kuluma. Good job. And then if now you want someone to be quiet, you say tula. Tula. Now say with me. Tula. Tula, it means shush or be quiet. And then now here, if someone is eating or you want to tell someone to eat, you say idla. Idla. Idla is to eat. Idla. Now say with me. Idla. And then drink is to phuza. Phuza. Now say with me. Phuza. Good job. And read. Read in Zulu is funda. Funda. Now say with me. Funda. Well done. Write is to bala. Bala. Now say with me. Bala. Well done. Throwing. Throwing is to ponta. Ponta. Now say with me. Ponta. Good job. Kick. Kick is to kahlela. Khahlela. Khahlela. Now say with me. Khahlela. Well done, great ones. And then now is the last one. Okay, this one, it could be anything that you want to wash. It could be your body or your hair or your hands. We are using the same name or the same word. Okay, so if you are bathing, we say geza. Or if you are washing your hands, we say geza, geza. And then now say with me, geza. Okay, well done, great ones. Please watch this video maybe twice and then practice to say the words. That's it for today. Ngiyabonga, salani kahle.